Okay, guys. So I just think I should just a minute. I'm watching a movie, old Chinese film, and I'm also trying to make a trade. So I've just had four successful trade. Right. You can see the account is this is the last trade I took, and I think I should show you guys from here. Let's go to the statement first. Every time you make 100% of your you make 100% of your capital, of your stake rather, that is the money you're trading with, make sure you withdraw. Okay, so there I just withdrew 62. I actually deposited $60, right? So I've withdrawn that $60. Now I am trading with the profit I made. That's $50 left. Yeah, as at today. So I was a bit very tired. You can see the progress, right? This is the $60 that I deposited, and I traded for how many days? 2 days. 2 days, and I've collected the 100%. Now I have withdrawn the 100%. So you can see that now I'm trading with the profit I made, which makes it a lot easy. Now nothing is at stake. I'm only trading with profits. Now I need to now show you the trades I had today. Profit table, right? This is day three. Profit table. I think I should calculate this so that I can know what the percentage is. But this is it: $6, $6, $6. Let's say 6 times 3, 6 times 4. That's like 24 or $25. That's like roughly 24.5. You can see is that I made a profit of $24.59. That is the profit that I made, right? Okay, so if that is the profit, you can see the signals. The signals were coming, and I've done the trade. So I've done my trades today. I've hit my target, and that's it. So when I do another one and it becomes like 100, I get to withdraw again. Now I'm gonna do that for 10 days. So it means I'm going to make $250 for the whole 10 days. Now once I make the $250, now I can now start trading with like $100, making $50. So that's how it works. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a rush. Slow and steady. You can see all the trades. You'll see them. In fact, I think I should show you the record of the trades so that you see that you need to have record. You need to have keep a record of your book. Keep a record. Now, this is the record for this one. You can see I did one index straight up because there were no signals on other indices. But you can see I had about 45 minutes. About 35 minutes, I had to wait for another signal. But you can see all the signals, they were less than 1 minute. All of them were less than 1 minute. So it's important you understand that if you do it slow and steady, you will get to get your results. So I'm just going to repeat what I've done 2 days ago. I'm going to do it again. So again and again, everything is repetition. But the first thing is master the act of doing it right. Then you will be able to repeat the same thing. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.